Hello, and welcome back to the channel. So, after the Monoshock installation that I owed you since the last video, it's time to install the rear sets. There are some bolts that need to be shortened. When you cut bolts, always remember to screw a nut first, so when unscrew the nut, you are fixing the bolt's thread at the same time. This way, you remake the thread that is damaged with the cutting disc. There. All good.
slightly hung over you. Slightly hung over, slightly hung over you. I'd be lying, baby, if I said it wasn't true. Slightly hungover, maybe slightly blue. Slightly hungover, maybe slightly blue. I never had the blues, baby, before I met you. Slightly hung over you. Slightly hung over, slightly hung over you. You shouldn't lie, baby, no, no, to someone who loves you, and I do. Morning after you. Morning after you.
This needs shortening. We will deal with this on another episode, because I want the bike to be on a straight position, so I can put the clutch lever on a right position.
And I'll be over you. And I'll be over you. And I'll be over you. You know it's a shame when a woman spends all her time alone. When I am perfectly willing to give her everything she needs. I don't care about her past. I don't care what she's been through. I just wanna feel one night with good love, baby. That's all I wanna do. So baby, come right on over here to me. I know you don't want no commitments, baby. I just wanna set your body free. And I don't care what's going on in the night.
Same here. I must shorten this bolt of the brake pump, but I need to know the right position of the brake lever. So I will deal with this too, when I install the front wheel and the bike stand on its natural position. So let's begin the front end installation.
You know I wanna give you that midnight healing. Oh, I just wanna make love to you all night long.
Upper and lower yoke are powder coated and ready to be installed.
Yeah, you know what I'm talking about.
We should first grease the bearings again. Just light me up a cigarette, baby, and lock the door when you leave. Call me when you need some good loving, 'cause you know I'm gonna please you. Yeah, you know I'll be around. Yeah, you know I've got the time. I just wanna heal your body, baby. Make it all fall into line. So baby, when you get that feeling, oh, I wanna give you that midnight healing. Yeah, I just wanna make sweet love to you, girl. Ain't gonna do you no harm. Midnight healing, baby. Well, I just wanna heal your body, baby. Oh, I just wanna So, the triple clamp is ready. And what about the forks? Are they ready too?
Midnight healing.
As you see, the Aprilia forks have different behavior. The one is harder and used for suspension, and the other is softer and used for absorbing. In any case, we are changing the fork seals and the fork coil. But all of this, along with the front wheel fitting, is coming next week. Be well, take care of yourselves, and ride safe.